I want to share with you a restoration of a really beautiful, beautiful case done with our office and Synergy Canal Ceramics, with probably one of the most creative ceramists in the world, Roberto Rossi. Come closer here. This case was treated completely biologically. What we have are Zirconia dental implants, Zeramex dental implants that were placed, and we have these zirconia abutments that were custom shaped by Roberto Rossi, and then the final ceramic to sit on top. The entire case is ceramic. There is no metal in this case at all. We have 2 implants in the bicuspid area on the upper right, implant on the upper left, and these absolutely beautiful custom abutments. Ceramic implants, zirconia implants, offer many advantages over metal implants, biologically and even aesthetically as well. They're challenging to place, they're challenging to restore. However, this kind of beautiful creativity is really impressive. So hats off, thank you to my friends at Synergy for the hard work in getting this case to be restored the way it is. And we're going to meet the patient in a little bit. Torquing these in. Which one? Perfect. And we are here with Christian. This case is in. So we have the natural teeth. These are the implant crowns. He's looking good. All right, I'm gonna let him speak. How do you feel?
I feel wonderful. Inside and outside.
You're lying. That's really beautiful, really, really beautiful case, and giving him, he's come a long way, a long, long way.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. There are some patients that you get a real warm feeling in here, and that's what I feel with you. Christian is an amazing patient. He's come through a tremendous amount of biologic reconstruction. We had months and months of this treatment. He had a very, very complex dental history with a lot of toxicity and failing root canals and all this stuff that you went through. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
You do?
Just absolutely crazy. Just the way you feel inside.
Yeah. And you can smile with confidence to everybody.
I want to work as soon as I'm not numb.
As soon as you're not numb.
Well, thank you very much. This is just incredible.
Yeah, no, it's my pleasure. Really,
Thank you.
So great to have you.